The League of Women Voters of Arkansas and a ballot question committee calling itself Save Our Democracy have submitted a proposed constitutional amendment to the Arkansas Attorney General. They say that it will streamline the state's initiative and referendum process. Channel 7's Andrew Mobley has more for us now. Andrew?
Petitioners behind this direct democracy ballot initiative believe that constitutional amendments voted on by the people of Arkansas should not be subject to further amendment by the state legislature. Successful ballot measures like the 2016 medical marijuana amendment have themselves been extensively amended by the Arkansas legislature. Some believe lawmakers shouldn't have the power to do that.
So what this direct democracy amendment does is stop them from doing that. It says, no, General Assembly, you cannot change a constitutional amendment with a 2/3 vote.
Save Our Democracy's ballot measure would streamline and enshrine Arkansas's ballot petition process in the state constitution.
The existing process now is this by statute. It's just a law that the General Assembly made up. What this does is it puts that process in the Constitution.
The initiative process is already outlined in our state constitution, so I don't know what they're trying to accomplish by putting another amendment in.
The ballot measure includes a clause that would have it supersede any conflicting state laws, declaring such legislation null and void. Legislation like the bills filed by Republican lawmakers at the ongoing session, adding checks and balances to the petition process that bill sponsors say will prevent fraud, an issue that came up with petitions last year.
We've had some issues where, 5, even 10,000 signatures are duplicates. And so there's a lot of problems with this process, and we're just trying to ensure that canvassers are behaving properly, that they're following the rules and the laws. What we're trying to do is prevent fraud, forgery, and abuse of the process.
Beyond countering Ray and other lawmakers' bills, the direct democracy ballot measure would also simplify existing petition verification methods by removing the need for canvassers to sign affidavits and instead requiring them to declare under penalty of perjury that petition signatures they collected are valid.
What our proposal does is it just eliminates the notary. It just makes the process just a little bit easier to do.
Couch and others advocating for an easier petition process believe some state lawmakers and officials have made it their mission to stymie direct democracy efforts to change the state's constitution.
The General Assembly has started making all these laws to make it much more difficult on the process for us as the people to go out and collect signatures, and threw up all kinds of little regulations and technicalities that if you violate this, you don't get to count the signatures and things like this. So really what we're doing is trying to protect the process.
It's not a question of making the initiative process easier or harder. It's a question of improving it, making it to where the issues that are submitted, the signatures that are turned in, truly represent the will of the voters.
The Attorney General has 9 more business days to approve or reject the direct democracy ballot measure that was submitted yesterday. On your side, I'm Andrew Mobley.
All right, Andrew, thanks very much. For more on this story and other bills filed in the legislature dealing with the ballot initiative and referendum process, check out our website, katv.com.